Ah, Jesus. All right. Let's get serious. Let's get serious, everybody. Oh, jeez, what? Ah. I barely got anything. I barely got any points. I'm surprised I got that. That's garbage. That is straight up basu. I don't like that. Garbage day. That's what I called November 5th yesterday. Garbage day. The revenge of the garbage man. You know, I think I'm going to make a movie out of it. The revenge of the garbage man. It's going to be like a grindhouse sort of film. It's a revenge thriller starring Donald Trump. Oh! Come on. Come on. All right. What are we doing now? Come on. There we go. All right. Getting sweaty hands, sweaty palms. You ever have that problem? Sweaty palms is the condition. That's not the only thing sweating. My balls are sweating. No. They call me sweaty balls. Sweater balls. Sweater peach ball. Oh. Hello.